Yo, I said a little slight vlog today, man. We're gonna be hitting the trail. We need some gear, bro. And the Target. Yeah, I see it. I don't think that's what I'm going for, man. Y'all know like them hats they be wearing in the desert type shit. That's what I need. This bit look like a white lady hat, bro. No lie. Excuse me, sir. You ever been hiking? Like, what would I need to go hiking, man? Shoes. These steel toes. You think these will work, man? Ankle support. I got you. I got you. That's what we looking for next, then, man. Some good shoes. Man, I done fucked around and threw on the work shoes. Steel toes. Oh yeah. You feel me? We done throwing the fucking work shoes. Damn, niggas really don't be out here hiking. They be having these bags though, you feel me? Oh. Damn. Yo, catch some fish, going right enough, you feel me? Put a little water, but be right enough, black out, you feel me? Snitch. Oh yeah, we need them motherfucker. Don't run out of no water. Real shit, life straw. Oh, we using it bit. Everybody getting them a little sip of the creek. Yeah, make sure we don't need nothing else for them motherfuckers. Yeah. Let's say there. Excuse me, boss man. I'm about to go hiking. Y'all sell like stuff for hiking and stuff?
Yeah, I think you pass it.
I don't see like water bottles and like a little pocket knife. I'm trying to like go crazy, you feel me? I'm gonna be spending the night. I'm gonna need to chop down branches.
Yeah.
I need like y'all got machetes? No? Check that way.
Check down here.
All right. You got hiking gear, but don't got no machetes. How does that even work, man? Like, hey, bro, you in the middle of the night, sleeping in your tent. You feel me? You chilling, you laying on your little soft pillow. A bear pop up, roar, and now you're dead. Shit. Uh-oh. Oh, is this? Oh yeah. Man, it's close enough to a machete for. Ooh. Damn, I thought this was like some real deal shit down here, bro. They just got little cutters. You feel me? We ain't gonna need this. I just need to find a machete. This might be close enough though. You feel me? Oh God. Oh shit! What the fuck is this? Boy, what? About to be moving like the Grim Reaper, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. We might get kicked out the park bringing this in, man. No lie. Boy, what? It extends up to 8 feet. What? Come on. Ain't no bear touching me with this real shit. What? You ain't tell me y'all had scythes? What? This even better than the machete. I'll be able to slay like a couple bears with this and be safe. You think so? That. My fly swatter. This what I catch fish with, kill bears with, all kind of shit. All in one, man. It's all in one right here. It's all you need. Right there to the knot. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all think I'll be like slay bears with this? Bears, like full size bears. We about to go hiking. And I ain't never been hiking before, man. So we don't got no tent. We got a blow up bed. I just got my work shoes on. I just bought the backpack. Okay. Tag you. I got you. at Angel Lawson. My bad, y'all go check it out. You feel me? If we survive the bear attack, we're gonna post it at Jus.Londen. No, we're going to Sweetwater Trail, but then we're gonna go off road. Ain't no bears out there? Hey, let's put all this shit back. Bro, why they told us it's gonna be lions and bears out there? Like, come on, man. And it's getting dark outside. She said no lions and no bears. You said what? No, we didn't find a machete, but we found a scythe, bro. It extends like 8 feet, bro. You think it'll work? We're going camping, right? But it might be bears and stuff out there. I ain't never been camping before, so we're trying to get something to defend ourselves.
Well, but they tell you one of two things with a bear.
Yeah. They said the brown bear look big. All right, bet.
Look big and brown.
So if I start like just hitting like jumping jacks,
If you run, they can run faster.
I got you. What if it's like a cub, like a little, like about his size?
What if it's a cub?
Yeah.
And some others nearby back away. Very slowly.
Okay.
Backing away.
Bet.
You don't want to go near a cub. Go near a cub.
Okay. You think with this I'll be able to kill it fast enough and then dip before the mom get there?
Look big. And don't get aggressive because the bear's gonna.
I don't know. We just gonna drive down the street until we see woods and stuff. You feel me? And then we're just gonna run out there. Nah, not in the general. I don't think no bears and stuff around here. Yeah. So we're just gonna drive. We're gonna go up north somewhere. Okay. Bet. Some bear spray, like fly spray, but for bears. Y'all saw that here? You think like Dick's will sell it or? Okay. You don't think this will work? What?
Don't look for the bear.
What? We not looking for him per se, unless I get a little hungry out there, cause we don't got no food either. Like you see my backpack empty. We're gonna try to catch fish with this, like fly away the flies, all of the above. This gonna be our go-to for everything.
Okay, I'm not sure about the fish.
Okay, I can't catch a fish with this? Just like swing it through the water and maybe catch some. Ooh. Okay.
Better off with
A net and bear spray.
a net might be better for fish.
Okay. All right, so we can eat now, man. We need a net and bear spray. A Waffle House? My boy know a Waffle House out there, man. So we gonna be eating good. I don't even think we need this no more. Thanks for your help, boss, man. Yeah. But he might just save me $41. Now we still gonna get this, cause you feel me. We still need water. They said you can just dip this in the water and just suck it through like a straw. No homo. You feel me? My boy just saved me $41. my cars are starting to sweat. Man, sheesh. My boy said a net and some bear spray. Bro, y'all ever heard of bear spray before? Like, oh my God. Hey, we gotta ask somebody about that. You don't know me, son! You don't know me, son! Who's gonna carry the logs? What? Don't never miss no workout, you feel me? Oh shit, what the fuck? That bit heavy as hell.
I'll give you 5 if you press it. 1, 2,
Yeah! Yeah! We did not shake on it.
Yeah! Fucking with the trees, nigga! Woo!
Oh my God. Oh. Yeah! Get right with him.
That shit was heavy as fuck though, bro. Y'all see what we do, man. We don't skip workouts out here, man. Real shit though. Y'all see I got my straw on me today, y'all. You feel me? We drinking straight from the water. Nah, we gonna be out here. We gonna be out here for 3 days. we don't went on vacation. What way we going, bro?
It's 3 ways. Boom, boom, and boom.
That's you.
I don't want the expired cool. Wait, so which one you going first? But they walk back there.
What happened?
You make it.
Hell no, I know he ain't. That be about to fall.
He ain't got no balance.
Not lying. Where you gonna go, bro?
You got to go that way.
Oh, she said go that way. That's the only rocks.
Oh, me. He doing that shit in shoes. Bro, you in shoes. Take your shoes off. He doing that shit in kicks, bro.
Him.
Oh.
That man walking on water, man.
Like he, hey.
Oh, shit. Why you coming back, bro? You going the wrong way? What?
You gotta run it. That shit shallow though. I ain't gonna lie, you shallow.
Oh God.
Hey, my boy.
Alright.
Oh, man.
I feel you on that. I'm about to throw my shit straight in the washing machine in the dryer.
Yo, cat, you have somebody scraps.
Now these might fuck up the dryer. These still some shit.
You got them air dry.
Hopefully it's hot tomorrow. Oh, really?
Right, hey look, go right there.
Go ahead.
Hey, be careful. Air dance.
Bro, you were not playing, but that's just. Oh my God.
Come on, my dog. Finish. Go all the way. All the way to come back. Go all the way to come back. If you do it, I got you. I'm gonna do it just like you. Jeez. Easy. Damn, how the fuck am I gonna get down there? Keep pushing. You got one waterfall.
Hey man, hey dog. Get a little swig, get a little swig. Hey man, I need you to do like 10 push-ups, dog. 10 push-ups, dog. Give me 10, give me 10. See 10, get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need 20 more. Yeah. Round never stop. All right.
You feeling good, my boy? What in the world? Come on, y'all.
Oh my God.
No socks on. A bit. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. 20, what in the fuck? Twin, bro. The toes. The bunions. Them bitch strong, boy. You got the bunions up. Now I got 15. Caught. Ain't no way. Oh yeah. You gotta go all the way, man. What in the Twin, what in the world? Oh yeah. Go crazy, man. Oh, yeah, you got that death stare, man. Oh! I got it on camera. I got it on camera. Wait, his bunny up and be hurting. Oh. Yeah, I'm too black for this. Ain't gonna count. Hey, man, let me get over there. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Go crazy. This man's bear crawling. Man, what in the world, bro? Oh, no, you don't come in handy. You don't come in. Fuck! Come on, London. These niggas is moving, twin. Ain't gonna lie, I put all my shit down. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. So what you got to say for your experience, sir? Oh,
Bust your ass.
Huh?
I'm bust your ass.
I'm trying not to.
What's your name?
The fuck are you? Ezekiel!
Fuck you, Ezekiel.
What's your name?
Johnny.
Fuck you, Tony.
The Black Rainbow TV.
Oh
Black
my
Rainbow
God.
TV. Hey, that's a fire.
Black Rainbow TV. Yeah, I don't ring too.
You walking that way or that way?
Said fuck it.
That way. I want to see this.
That way?
Hey, whoa, what is that little statue shit?
What's that?
Over there. Oh, that shit right there. That big ass rock. You see that there? Oh, she fell in, nah. Damn. Then R.I.P.
R.I.P. for shit.
R.I.P. man.
They saying R.I.P. to y'all.
Damn, bro. R.I.P. her face.
Oh,
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna count, bro. I
Be
want
telling
to
me.
tweet, bro. I got me from the phone.
they do it.
My fault, I'm pushing one of y'all niggas in.
They go to safe way.
How you gonna go that way though?
That way and around type
Oh, come on.
Oh, that's a slot. Oh, there you go, Zay.
Hey, go ahead and slide in, gang.
You the
Yeah.
only one that ain't been in the
You the only one that ain't jumped in, bro. Go ahead and get in, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. Walk me that way. Walk me that way. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. We about to do it. We about to. Hey, cool. Break.
Why you running, bro? Why you running, bro? I ain't chasing that nigga. It's dead. He gonna fall.
Oh, law, bro. Look like a fucking room back there. All the way back there, bro. It look like a goddamn room. Hell nah, they got this bitch closed off. That bitch shut down, Real shit. What the fuck this shit is on the wall? Hey, bro, that's why they put that shit back. They climbed through the window. Damn. Hey, it's getting dark. The park closed at dark. We done found the way into the building, bro. Through the fucking side. Oh yeah. This bit tough.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah. Hey, hold the cam, hold the cam.
That's it lit. That's it lit.
Is that a fucking archery ring?
That's what it looked like. I'm going.
Day 27. In the forest.
We got lost. We got lost on our trip.
Bro, we done fell in this fucking water so many goddamn times. We can't see shit. We in a bit about to die.
Terrible day.
Fuck that nigga David Goggins. He got this shit. Hell no. What?
We got niggas outside.
Yo, so I'm back at the crib, man. I took a shower, cleaned up everything like that, man. Phone actually ended up dying, man. Like, all our phones was dead. I think 1 or 2 people had their phones still charged a little bit. But, hey, man, I'm sorry we couldn't get as much footage as we could. But we gonna get a cameraman in here, man. We're gonna make sure shit locked in, boy, for sure, man. We're gonna get a cameraman. We're gonna have more footage next time. The videos is getting better and better as each video comes out. We tweak a little things here and there. Make sure that mic charge next time. A lot of stuff, man. But y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure y'all hit the like, subscribe button. We're gonna be back again in another week or 2, man. But yeah, y'all see it.